Hello children, welcome to the class. Children, you know that we have started the textbook activity for our lessons, right? Previous class we studied the grammar parts for lesson 1 and today we are going to learn the grammar parts for lesson 2, that is PD, I need you. Okay, first and foremost topic what they have given in the textbook is synonyms. So what do you mean by synonyms, children? Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meaning. The words having same meaning are known as synonyms. For example, shiny, bright, anxious, nervous, sad, upset, annoyed, angry, happy, joyful. So these are few examples. Synonyms are words having same meaning. Now next is antonyms. Now antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. For example, destroy, preserve, frugal, prosperous. Okay. Now, naughty, silent, talkative, quiet. So the words having the opposite meanings are known as antonyms. Understood, children? Yes, in your textbook, page number 27, they have given an activity based on synonyms. They have given crossword puzzle. Okay, so we have to write the synonyms for the words which are given to your right side. Okay, now so have fun filling the synonyms crossword puzzle below. Each of the answer is a synonym of the given clues. Now here they have given clues across and down, across words and downwards. What is across words? First one, mislaid, error, last, moist, link and help. The downward words are clever, merciless, first, track, short and dedicate. So these are the synonyms. These are the words we have to mark, or we have to point out or we have to write the synonyms for the given words. Okay, so across word, first one, mislaid. Mislaid means, what is the other word for mislaid? Mislaid means keeping the things in a different place where we will not get, where we can't find very easily. So mislaid, misplaced. Mislaid, the other meaning is misplaced. So you have to write across. You have to write first one. They have given MI and an empty box, then P, then empty box, A, C, and empty box, and D. So you have to fill that cross or fill that block by writing the correct word. Okay, now second one, error. What is the other meaning for error? What they have given in textbook? Third one, across words. They have given M and two empty box, T and empty box, K and E. Now, which word suits for this one? For this blank, they have given M and a blank, two blanks, and T blank and K, they have given blank. Right. So what is the answer? M. For error, the other meaning is mistake. Don't make error or don't make mistake. Right. Then what would be the answer? What is the answer? Error, mistake. M I S T A K E. Mistake. Did you understand, children? How to write? This is crossword. Okay, now fifth one, last. What is the other word for last? What is the other word for last? They have given here F. Last means final. 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 You have to fill in the empty box. Now sixth, moist. For moist, what the clue they have given? They have given W and T. What would be the word for moist? Moist means wet. W-E-T, wet. Okay. Now eighth one, link. What is the clue they have given for link? C and dash N dash E dash T. What is the other word for link? By using these clues, we have to fill the blank. Now, link means connect. Okay. CONNECT. Connect. Now, 10th one, help. What is the clue they have given? Help. A blank, I blank and T. What is the other word for help? It is assist. A, S, S, I, S, T. Assist. Okay, did you understand, children? Misled, the other word, the other meaning for misled is misplaced, and error, mistake, last, final, moist, wet, link, connect, help, assist. Okay, now downward we have to write. What is the first word? Clever. For clever, what they have given? Second one, the letter will, the word will be starting with I. I blank T blank double L blank G E. Blank E blank T. What is the other word for clever which starts with I? Intelligent. 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 Now merciless. What do you mean the merciless? They are not kind to others. Merciless means. Okay. So what the clue they have given merciless? The word will start with C. C, two blanks and EL. What would be the word? CRUEL. Cruel. What is the other word for merciless? It is cruel. Now first. Now first is the word and the other word will be starting with I. So what would be the similar word for first? Initial. 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 Now next is track. Track is the word. What is the other word for track? What the clue they have given? Ninth one. T. T is the word. The other word also will start with the letter T. T. What is the other word for track? Track means trace. Track the route of the vehicle or trace the route of the vehicle. Both are same. Now, short. The next word is short. What is the similar meaning for short? What the clue they have given here? 11th, B. So this word we will have in our question paper or we have in our textbook. This word, short. The other word for short is brief. BRIEF. Give your answers in brief. Right? Write your answers in brief. Okay? Now, 12th one. 12th one is dedicate. What is the other word for dedicate? What they have given? That word is starting with D. Dedicate. Be dedicated to your work. Be dedicated to your work, what you are doing. Be devote to the work you are giving. Be devoted to the studies. What is the other word for dedicate? It is devote. 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 Okay, understood, children? What do you mean by synonyms? Synonyms are the words that have the same or similar meaning. Example: shiny, bright, anxious, nervous, sad, upset, misled, misplaced, error, mistake, last, final, moist, wet, link, connect, help, assist, clever, intelligent, merciless, cruel, first, initial, track, trace, short, brief, dedicate, and devote. These are the words having the same meaning. Now, the next part. What is the next part they have given? Antonyms. Antonyms means words having with opposite meaning. Words with opposite meanings are known as antonyms. Example: destroy, preserve, frugal, and it is prosperous. Now in page number 28, you have the activity based on the antonyms. Okay, now next we'll start with the activity. Children, in page number 28, they have given activity based on antonyms. Now what do you mean by antonyms, children? Antonyms are the words having opposite meaning. Right? The words having opposite meanings. Here they have given few words and their opposite. Okay. So all the words are not opposites here, as synonyms are also there and antonyms also there. So we have to rectify or identify the antonyms, and we have to shade or we have to tick the correct antonym word. Okay. Now first word, what they have given first one? Worst, best, bad and hopeless. Now what do you mean by worst? Worst means bad and hopeless. Now what is the antonym or the opposite for the word worst? It is best. So you have to shade or you can tick the answer. Okay. Now second one, exaggerated. What do you mean by exaggerated? Exaggerated means overstated, decreased or enlarged. Exaggerated means the other meaning for exaggerated is means overstated and enlarged. Now what is the opposite for exaggerated? It is decreased. The opposite word for exaggerated is decreased, or the antonym for the word exaggerated is decreased. Understood? Now frugal. What do you mean by frugal? Frugal means those who doesn't spend more money. Okay, those who are having a budgeted spending of money. Okay, now frugal is it rich, sparing or economical? It is rich. The opposite for frugal is rich. Frugal means sparing, economical. Sparing means having cautious about spending money. Okay, having cautious of saving money. Same, economical means saving. Okay, now special. Next word is special. What do you mean by special? Special means limited or exceptional. Very good. Okay. Then what would be the opposite or antonym for the word special? Special, ordinary. Right. Next is trouble. Now, what do you mean by trouble? Is it hazel, advantage or problem? Hazel is another word for trouble. Now, problem is the another meaning for the word trouble. So, opposite will be advantage. Okay, trouble means hazel. Hazel also means trouble or having some problem. Here also problem is trouble. Okay, now the answer, the antonym for the word trouble would be advantage. Okay, now next word, talent. What do you mean by talent? The boy is, or that the girl is very talented, or the boy is very talented. Talented means having ability, right? Skill. Talent means having ability and skill. Then the antonym for the word talent is inability. In simple way, we can say antonyms means opposite word. Okay. Now, arrogant. What do you mean by arrogant? Arrogant, it is arrogant means superior. Okay, arrogant means superior. Gallant means brave. Now, eminent also means having capability or great. Okay, now modest. Modest means not that much arrogant or not that much brave. Okay, now what do you mean by arrogant? Arrogant means is very brave, means exceptional or superior. Okay, arrogant means superior. Gallant means he's brave. Okay, the same meaning, superior. Now next is eminent. Eminent means great. Okay, now what do you mean by modest? Modest means humble or not up to the mark. Okay, so the antonym or the opposite for the word arrogant is modest. Next, multiply. What do you mean by multiply? Reproduce, divide or reduce. Multiply means reproduce. Now, divide. You can divide, and reduce means reducing. Here multiplying means doubling, twice. Okay, so the antonym for the word multiply will be reduce. Okay, now ninth one, success. Success or similar meaning for success is growth, wealth, right? The other word for success is growth and wealth. Then the antonym, the word opposite for the word success is failure. Okay, now next is save. Save means spare and survive. Spare means, or sorry, save means spare or survive. Spare also means the same meaning as save, and survive also save. Okay, then the opposite word for the word save is spend. Save the money for the future. Or this one, spending money. Okay, the spending money to the means useless things, spending money for the useless things. So here save, the opposite word for save is spend. Okay, did you understand, children? Opposite, what do you mean by antonyms? Antonyms means the words having the different meanings. For example, worst, best. The opposite word for the word worst is best. Exaggerated, the opposite meaning is decreased. Then frugal, the opposite meaning is rich. Special, opposite is ordinary. Trouble, opposite word is advantage. Then talent, the opposite word is inability. Arrogant, the opposite word is modest. Arrogant, brave. Now, modest means very silent, not up to the mark. Now, multiply means divide or reproduce, becoming twice. Here, the opposite is reduce. Now, success, opposite is failure. Then save, opposite is spend. Children, I hope you have understood both synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are the words having same meaning, whereas antonyms are the words having opposite meaning. Okay, next we'll move on to the next part. What they have given next in the next part? They have given verbal digraph. Now, what do you mean by verbal digraph? Verbal digraph means a combination of two vowels which together make one sound. The combination of the collection of two vowels making one sound. Okay. Now, for example, seat. Here, vowel E and A together make a single long sound E. Okay, here two vowels E and A are vowels, right? So these two vowels making single sound long, single sound E. And seat is a vowel digraph. Understood? What do you mean by vowel digraph? Vowel digraph means a combination of two vowels which together make one sound. Combination of two vowels together making single sound. It may be long sound or short sound. Example, seat. Here, two vowels, that is E and A, are two vowels giving the single long sound E, seat. Okay, now here next is sheep. Here vowel E comes twice and it gives a single long E sound, sheep. Now next is paint. The two vowels, that is A and I, combining together giving long sound A, paint. Okay, understood vowel diagram? Yes, now we will do the activity based on this vowel diagram. Next, children, we have learnt the meaning of vowel diagram. What do you mean by vowel diagram? Combination of two vowel sounds together make single sound, whether it may be long sound or short sound. Together making single sound is known as vowel digraph. Right. So here the activity is based on vowel digraph. Here see, first one, paint, train. Here two vowels are A and I, A and I. We have to write the another word for each digraph. So we have to first see which vowel which vowel digraphs are there in the words. So again, we have to write the same word, which is the combination of the vowels. Okay, two vowels. Understood? Now, paint, P-A-I-N-T, and train, T-R-A-I-N. Here, the two vowels are A and I, A and I. Now, next vowel digraph word will be paint, train, then rain. R-A-I-N. Here, two vowels, A-I. Understood? We have to write the another word for each vowel digraph. Same vowels we have to write. The word having the same vowel sound. Okay. Now next, season, steel. Next, what would be the next vowel word or vowel digraph? It is season, steel. Next is steam. Steam, EA sound or steam. Steam, steam. Okay, we are having same vowel sound. EA, EA. Here also EA, EA vowels we have. Okay, now strain and afraid. AI vowel sound, we have AI vowel sound. Strain, afraid. Now what is the other way? Rain. Okay, train also we can write AI sound. Okay, now remain. AI sound we have. Correct? Strain, afraid, rain, train, remain. These are the examples. Now squeeze, breeze. Now next word would be freeze. Correct? Two vowels, E sound. Together, the E vowel is coming twice. Right? Squeeze, breeze, freeze, see. Correct? We are having two vowel sound. Now, here next. Maintain, explain. Here again, AI sound, AI sound. Maintain, explain, plain, plain AI sound. Okay, so even you can find more words like this. Even you can give 2 or 3 examples. Maintain, explain, plain, train, rain, remain. We can give so many examples. Please look for the other words. Now next, reason, beaten. Next would be season. Yes, E-A-S-O-N. E-A sound. A sound. Right. Here also reason, beaten, season. Just giving long A sound. Plain, explain, breeze, freeze. E comes twice and gives a long single sound E. Here also afraid, rain, train, remain. Okay. Now steel, steam, team. Okay. Screen, sheep. Next is keep, feel, right? Screen, sheep, keep, feel. Now next, last, receipt, perceive. Receipt and perceive is the word they have given. We have to look for the word which is having the same vowel sounds with E and I. Receipt, perceive, receive, I sound. Okay, receipt, perceive, receive. Understood, children? So like this we have to write. You can look for the other words, new words. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the meanings for synonyms, antonyms and vowel digraph. We'll meet in the next class, children, and then we'll continue with the next part of our grammar. Thank you, children.